Over the past month, my dog has been sick. About a month ago, we noticed that he was pawing at his ear. He was shaking his head as if something was stuck inside of his ear. He would whine if we'd pet him on his head. We were like, okay, this is a pup with an ear infection. So we called the vet to make an appointment. Unfortunately, because it's COVID, it is very difficult to get in to go and see the vet. They have a very limited amount of people they're allowed to see each day. They don't want that many people in and out of their premises, which I completely understand. And they are booked up for 2 weeks in advance. We made an appointment. 2 weeks later, we took him to the vet. Sure enough, he had an ear infection. So the vet cleaned him up, put some medication in his ears that was supposed to help out with the ear infection, and sent us on our merry way. At that point, absolutely everything seemed groovy. Unfortunately, about a week ago, so this is a week after our initial vet appointment, 3 weeks after we first called, puppy started developing this really nasty rash on his paws and his underarms. Then he got really lethargic. Didn't want to do anything, didn't want to play outside, didn't want to go on walks, didn't want to eat, didn't want to drink water, didn't want to poop. What was wrong with this puppy? We called the vet again and said, hey, our puppy is sick. And they said, well, fortunately, you have a follow-up appointment to the ear exam, so we can see you in about 4 days. And I said, do you have anything sooner? Because my puppy is sick. And they said, no. Well, it's been 4 days. Today's the day. We're taking the puppy to the vet. I'm Todd, and I'm making sense of middle age. Oh, Guinness. Hey, buddy. Hey, it's time to go to the vet. Are you ready? I know you don't feel good. Oh, that rash. That rash is no good. All right, puppy. All right, let's go to the vet. Come on. Come on. Don't worry, Bubba. You're going to feel better soon. As you can see, I'm at the vet. The way it works is you pull in and you call them and you tell them you're here, and then they take your animal inside, and then the doctor calls you for a consultation. It's very strange. This whole thing feels really weird because I'm used to, taking the dog inside every time we've had to go to the vet for anything before. So it's a new experience. I'm just waiting in the parking lot. In my car, sitting in the car, waiting. And it just feels strange because I know every time you go to the doctor or the vet or you have an appointment somewhere, you go inside and you sit and you wait in the waiting room and whatever. I guess it's kind of the same thing. I guess it's exactly the same thing as waiting in the waiting room. You're just inside your car. At least I'm not getting the COVID. All right, the doctor just called me. Guinness has got an ear infection still. He had a medication for that 2 weeks ago, but it's not cleared up, so they want to reapply the ear medication. He's also got a hot spot on his foot and some scabbing under his arms from like a skin irritation, and the lethargy and the trouble breathing may have been because he might have eaten a bee. So they're going to give him a steroid shot and a round of antibiotics for me to take home, plus reapply the ear medicine, and I'm supposed to give him a bath. Hopefully all of these things work. Yeah, hopefully all of these things work. They dropped him off. I got the puppy back. He still does not look happy or too healthy. But at least we're working on something, right? The way they work is they drop the dog off and then they call you later with the bill. They haven't called me with the bill yet. They've given me the dog. I could literally just run away. I'm not gonna do that though. I'm sure glad I didn't leave when I said I was gonna leave, because the nurse just called me and they didn't run my credit card, which I knew they didn't run the credit card because I think I said that already, where they dropped the dog off but didn't ask for payment and said they were going to call me. Well, they called me, asked for payment, $400. This is way more expensive than me or even my real kid. But they also didn't give us our medication. So they're going to give us medication. Got the medication, time to go home. Right, puppy? All right, Guinness, let's go home. We're home. Come on. Come on, go home. Come on. I know you don't feel good. Come on, puppy. Hi, puppy.
Ready? Get your cheese. Good boy.
Here we go. I have to mix it up. If I don't mix it up, you won't eat your food. You'll only eat the cheese. You got to eat your food too, because we're about to give you some medicine. Little turkey. Little turkey. Yeah, little turkey. Yeah, is that delicious? All right, you gotta eat this pill. No, you have to eat the pill. Gotta take your pill. You get more turkey once you take your pill. There you go, puppy. Good job. Good job. Swallow. Swallow. Good job. Good job. Little turkey. Yeah, good. All right, got one more. I got one more. Okay. Here you go, puppy. One more pill. I know, I know, I know. Good job, turkey. And that's how we take our medicine. Good job. Good job. That should make you feel better. We gave the dog his medicine, we gave him his bath, and we sent him to bed. I'll let you know how he progresses. Thanks for watching.